So here we have our BMW 335D xDrive Touring. This car, as you can see, comes with the full M Performance kit, front splitter, side skirts and rear diffuser. Additionally, this car is finished in mineral grey metallic, which contrasts lovely with the black shadow line trim on the outside. You also get the LED headlights and LED fog lights. Moving around to the side of the car, you have the roof rails in gloss black, along with the rear privacy glass. You also have the 20-inch 405M multispoke alloy wheels. So round to the back, you also have the LED tail lights. There's the rear diffuser we mentioned earlier. Another cool feature of the BMW Touring cars. As you can see, there's plenty of boot space. Also, the electric tailgate as well. As we move into the back of the car, you can see this car's finished with the full black Dakota leather. Still in really good condition. As we move into the front of the car, we've got the brushed aluminium with gloss black interior trim, electric adjustable door mirrors. As we pan round, you can see again the leather's still in really good condition. Automatic LED headlights, full leather steering wheel with the paddle shifts again. If we move in, so you've got your cruise control functions on the steering wheel, instrument panel with the extended scope, so this car comes with the heated front seats and the dual zone climate control, along with the professional media system. This is just the side profile of the car. As you can see, it looks really sleek with the performance kit. They do look really good on these estate versions.